No cheating.
Ako na mag-drawing.
And
Magaling ba kayo
the
manghula?
price per team is 500.
100 per pack. Per pack, kasi lima kayo sa tanong nila.
100.
Oh, 100.
Ay, loko mo na ba?
5% sa group, 100.
Okay na yun. Drawing dito sa hula. Divided by 5.
Per 20 per 100 so that whoever will be the winning team will have 100 each.
Okay.
Sino pa yung
Balikin kami. Ano ba? Ilan yung score by lang score? Kailangan
3 to 5.
Whoever or the team who will get
Maganda naman to sa ano.
Ilan? Sumagot ka yun ha. Ilang.
Unlimited. As long as you can get a lot. 12
Ilang minutes?
Just 2 minutes.
Kung hindi nasagutan ng isang team, pwede mag-display yung dalawang team.
Hindi. Kanya-kanya yung category.
Di ba? May pointing din na, di ba?
Mamaya.
May point ba?
Wala. Yung isa kasi, yung parang nanalo ka pa.
Game na. Hindi na mag-start.
Tayo ito sino una. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, wala. Hindi na kasi nagmula ng 1.
Sa wala.
Parang ng 1.
O, representative ng 1.
Ano to, practice ang game na?
Epic. Game na yan. Ano to, sample? Game na.
Kayo mamimili kung sino.
Sino magaling mag-drawing?
Bakit ka nagbubukas?
Hindi ako mag-drawing. Hindi ako mag-drawing.
Kailangan ko pa pala ng iba.
O game na? O game. O game na.
1, 2, 3, go. Ilan nga pala yung, dali. Ilan nga pala yung minute? 3 minutes? 3
Minimum of 2 minutes.
Oh, 3 minutes tawa. 1, 2, 3, go.
Second line star. Shining star. First word.
Sino ba? Sino ba tatagot? Kami. Akala ko kami. Number 3 muna.
What is that?
Firework. Ano yan?
You don't have to.
Actually,
Star.
New Year.
stargazing.
New Year.
Detail star.
Melinda is the versus.
Hindi pa kayo.
Falling star. Parang hirap.
The cosmos.
Very hard. Target.
The space.
Sun versus moon. It's the versus.
Later.
The first word. Pwede mo mag-pass?
Shooting star. How many seconds?
Hindi, wala pa naman yun.
What was that?
Shooting star. Okay.
Do you have a time? Don't distract it.
Words. 1 word.
One word dito.
2 words.
Ah, sunod-sunod parang.
What's that? What's that? Daraw.
Baby.
The long one.
Angel? Alam ko yan. Ayoko sabihin sa inyo kasi baka manalo kayo. Alam ko yan. Belen? Ilang group ba ito? Ay, galing Julie. Malapit na.
First word.
Baby.
Baby.
Tagalog.
Baby Jesus.
The boy.
Baby
Ah, oo.
Tagalog word.
Ano yung baby?
Rain.
Baby crying.
What's that? Ano ba yung ganun? It's rain. Rain. First word then.
Ano ba?
Rain. Talo na kayo. Rain. Reindeer.
Ay, shit! Baby taking a bath?
Rain. Shower. Rain.
Baby shower?
Finish.
Wow.
It's a holiday.
Yeah, it's a holiday.
Make it faster.
How many times?
How many words?
Ikaw pala mag-drawing.
How many times left?
1 word.
It's a
One ilang word?
more.
Isa ang magdodrawing sa
That's why
akin.
3 minutes is not
Si
enough.
Kuya Ray ang magaling
First
mag-drawing.
flower.
That's
2 minutes and 30 seconds.
Ba't na lang mahulaan natin?
Nakailang mo na sila?
1,000.
Slow pa lang.
5? It is very hard.
Words? Dito hindi ko
Yes.
malino.
No, it's very hard.
Yes. Hindi malinaw eh.
Cross?
Sure.
Again. Use your brain.
2 minutes and 53 seconds.
Ay.
Use your head.
How many seconds left?
Wala na.
Wow, finish.
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 Okay.
Number 2.